Good morning, students. So, as you can see, today we will discuss about total station, which is also known as TS. Total station is a electronic device of or a instrument of surveying, which is used for various types of survey and building construction. Basically, it is an electronic or optical device which uses electronic medium and optical medium by combining them for different types of surveying. So basic requirement in a surveying is first is linear measurement and second is angular measurement. So both the requirement is fulfilled with this equipment. As in linear equipment, it is capable of taking distance by electronic medium, which is also known as electronic distance meter (EDM) is also enabled in it. And the second surveying requirement is angular measurement, in which vertical angle and horizontal angle is required. So the both categories it is capable for taking the readings digitally. So let's we see what are the parts of the equipments. First, you can see here, this is the control panel or display, we can say. It is on both sides. You can see the display is on both sides and the control panel. This is the telescope. This is eyepiece of telescope, and on the other side you can see the lens. Here you can see these are the leveling screws. Here it is the bubble for setting for leveling and one more here. Now there are some screws which are used for different types of work. These are the fixing screw and tangent screw. It is for the telescope, and this is the tangent screw and fixing screw for horizontal direction or horizontal scale. This is the eyepiece for finding the centering or for doing the centering of the instrument. This mark is used for the height of instrument, in which we can, if we need to enter the height of instrument, so we can just measure it from here. So this is the battery. Okay, so we will start for we will start the instrument. This is the power key. We will just press it and it will get start. Here you can see on the display it will show rotate telescope. So you have to rotate the telescope one time. Now it is all set. Here in the screen you can see VZ and HL. So VZ is the reading of vertical angle. When you move this, it will just change. When you move the telescope from any direction, the readings will get change. Here you can see. Okay. Now the HL is the reading of horizontal scale. When you move this in this direction, you can see the readings are getting changing. Now there are many other functions also which are given. So the functions which are given on the screen could be accessed by the function keys present over here, that is F1, F2, F3 and F4. This is the menu, display, all and ADM buttons, and these are the numeric and alphanumeric keyboard which is used to enter a digit or alphanumeric characters. So now when we change the display mode, it will also show SD. SD is the sight distance, which we can measure or with the help of a prism. So if we have to measure the distance from here to any point, you have to just focus focus the telescope on the prism. The prism should be fixed at the point where the distance is to be measured, and then we will just press the distance, or we can see here the F1 key for measuring the distance. So I will just focus the telescope. Now the telescope I have focused on the we can say just the prism, and when we press the distance key over here, it will give the reading. So you can now see here it is 2.8 meters. So like that you can easily find distance, horizontal angle and vertical angle with the help of total station. As there are many all other functions which will discuss in our next lecture. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.